who inside the manufacturing organization, who should read your book?
That's a great question. So the book was really geared for three different audiences. One would be the owner or the president, CEO of a manufacturing company that is sick and tired of wasting time and money on marketing that doesn't work. And they realize that their competitors are winning, and they need that competitive edge. I would say the next reader would be the VP of Sales and Marketing for the same reasons.
Okay.
They want to succeed. They need help. And then the third would be at larger manufacturing companies that leader in marketing that is burnt out. They're tired of doing more and more and more effort because they're lacking certain operational, foundational elements in their marketing strategy, if they have a strategy at all. So,
okay,
yeah.
That's good. So that's who should read it. Can somebody then take your book, read it, and just go off and create this on their own?
Yeah, they can. So we built the book and designed the book in a very specific way so that there's lessons learned throughout so that they can understand that we've failed at times too and how we fixed it. But there are also templates and guides throughout. And then our website, which is going to be g8p.co, is going to have all the free templates and tools that people can download to do this on their own should they choose to.